Hello everyone, my name is Anmoldeep Singh, and in this video we'll talk about a startup which started in 2012 and now in 2021 it's going public. I'm talking about the startup called Nykaa. It retails over 2000 brands and has 2 lakh products across platforms. It has online presence through its e-commerce portal and also offline presence through its 76 offline stores. As of now, it's valued at $7.11 billion and it's a huge value. So let's see, is it worth it to apply to this IPO or not? So let's get started. So first, we'll talk about the founder who started this company in 2012. Then we'll come to the business model. And then we'll come to the unique selling proposition, what competitive advantage they have among their competitors. And then we'll look into the IPO details. At last, I will tell you my views on this startup. So let's talk about the management. The woman before this 4,000 crore listing of this company is Falguni Nayyar. So let's talk about Falguni Nayyar. What are the qualifications and where did they work in the past and all this. So Falguni Nayyar started their graduation in economics major, then their post graduation was from IIM Ahmedabad, then they started their career as a consultant, then they in 1993 they began at the Kotak Group. They worked 19 long years there, then quit their high profile job to do entrepreneurship. And then in 2012 they started this beauty startup which has become so big that it is now listing on BSE and NSE. You might be thinking how this small startup tend to become a multi-billion dollar startup. So this is all because of their inventory based business model. I will say it again, inventory based business model in which they buy in bulk from manufacturers and store the products into their warehouses situated in Delhi, Bangalore and Mumbai. And then when the order comes, they directly ship it to the customers. In result, the margins are high, the cost is low and the pricing is competitive. This is why this small startup became so successful in Indian market. And also, you might have purchased some cosmetics from the Nykaa website. So let's talk about their unique selling propositions. So first USP is that they buy directly from the manufacturers, which reduces their cost and increases their margin. Also, they have international brands on their online stores. This becomes a powerhouse for beauty and fashion products. Also, they introduce fast deliveries so that women, rather than going offline, shop online. Also, they have omni-channel strategy. They have offline stores, also they have an online e-commerce portal. This becomes a win-win situation for the customers and as well as Nykaa as a startup. So now let's get into the IPO details. Let's take a quick look into the IPO details. The IPO is opening on October 28 and closing at November 1. Face value is 1. The price band is 1085 to 1125. Market lot is of 12 shares. Fresh issue is of 630 crores. Issue size is of 5,351 crores. Offer for sale is of 4,721 crores. IPO opens 28th of October, closes on November 1. Allotment will be done on November 8, refunds at 9, credit of shares at 10, and IPO listing on finally on November 11. The promoter holdings will be as this. Pre-issue shareholding was 54 and now it will be 52.56. So now what's my view on this IPO? In my view, this IPO is worth it. It is one of the most profitable startups in India.
So we should apply to this IPO. And the gray market premium is of 670 as of now, and it's a great value. We can easily get listing gains. Also, this startup is for long term. So from my side, it's a good buy, and you should invest in this IPO rather than Zomato, which was a loss-making company. Nykaa is better than that, so we should invest in it. So on this note, let's end this video. Meet you in the next video with the next topic. Thank you.